Hello everybody and welcome in this video where we're going to be talking about Sellsy sub-account from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow apps for your Sellsy platform. So how do we set it up? Inside your sub-account, you go at the app marketplace, you search for the app, Sellsy sub-account, install, allow and install. There are some keys required, and of course you have smart queue that's going to help you how to get all those keys. Let's do it together. Let's switch to our Sellsy platform. Go inside the platform. We come here at menu, settings, Sellsy account, developer portal, V2 beta, and we're going to create an API. Private, you can say my keys, and here you're going to paste the redirect URL. So let's go and take it here, copy, paste, and we save. So we have our client ID here and the secret. We copy the first one, paste, go back, we copy the client secret, paste, continue, confirm, complete installation. A new window opens automatically where you have to copy the new redirect URL and switch back to your Sellsy account to edit the last one. Remember the first one that we copy from the app. So how do we edit? We go at edit token, paste a new one, and we saved. There you go. Now we switch back and we have on install. This means that the tool is already connected to your Sellsy platform. So now you're able to execute actions directly from your workflow apps for your Sellsy account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a support team who is very dedicated and available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video.